Now let's talk about how you're going to turn off the text to speech feature on your Android. Let's get started. So there might be more things which cause the text to be read out loud by your phone. Most likely there is a feature called TalkBack, which is part of the accessibility option. So you can find it in the accessibility department, part of your settings, of course. And the TalkBack is, as you can see, a feature which is going to read everything out loud that you click on. It is useful, it's great for accessibility, but if you don't need it, then this is the place where you're going to turn it off. Keep in mind that using the phone with TalkBack enabled is a little bit harder because at first you have to select something, then double tap it to actually tap it, right? So if you want to turn it off, there is a little shortcut of pressing and holding down both volume keys for a few seconds, and this will make it turn off completely. So this is a very common situation. Outside of that, you might be referring to a keyboard which is also reading stuff out loud to you. That is also possible. And if you find the general management settings of your phone, let's say on my Samsung device, I'm going to go in here and I will find the keyboard right there. So let me just go and click on a Samsung keyboard settings. From this, I can go to the swipe and touch and feedback option, and there is the ability to speak keyboard input aloud, right? And this is something that is also gonna read everything out loud that you type. It is also technically an accessibility feature, but yeah, you might have it turned on unknowingly and it might just stand in your way. Perhaps you don't like it. So if you don't want everything that you type to be read out aloud to you, then yeah, this is the setting to turn off. I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Let me know what you think, and if we manage to fix your issue, most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.